Hi traders, Zoran Kresovic here from Blueberry Trading Desk. Big news in terms of the Aussie CPI data that came out just now at 11:30 Australian Eastern Standard Time. Core inflation, Reserve Bank's preferred measure, came in at 1% on quarterly basis, as opposed to what market was anticipating or expecting at 0.6%, so well above the target band and what the consensus was. On yearly basis as well, we are looking at the year-on-year 3%, and market was anticipating 2.7%. So what does it mean for Aussie, and what does it mean for Aussie householders? Well, essentially, we are well above the target band, and we are within the upper band of close to 3%. We do understand Michelle Bullock in last week's press conference discussed and mentioned that she would expect the data to come out within the mid-tier, anywhere around 2.5%, if we are looking for that inflation to actually continue heading lower. That is not the case. I believe that, interest rate cut in November, on November the 4th, next Tuesday, is completely off the table at the moment, and only 11% implied move that we will get that cut. But also, what does it mean for the rest of the year and early into next year? So looking at the data that came out right now, we are looking at only 28% chance we will get another 25 basis point cut early next year in 2026. On the back of this news, a major move in Aussie, 258 pips up, hitting the major resistance level at 66 cents. It's likely to actually break that and continue heading higher. Aussie has been actually doing quite well for this week, probably one of the best performing and most bullish performing currency pairs out of the G10 currencies. In terms of the equities, very bearish at the moment. We are hitting the intraday lows right now on Aussie 200, as market is actually getting heavily sold off and short squeeze is underway.